Oh, I can smell fish and chips. Fuck. That's making me really fucking hungry. I'm trying to talk quietly so these buggers don't know I'm talking to myself, because that's just weird. So I am in Maraetai in New Zealand. It's a really stunning winter's day. What am I on? What have I got out here on? Wouldn't you like to know? Well, this is my new bike. Check that puppy out. Oh yeah. 2018 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory, and she is a beast. Her name, or his name, is Mac. Oh yeah. Right. So there she is. I fucking love it. I've had it a week. I've cleaned it twice. I'm still breaking it in, but fuck me, it's fast. Even breaking it in, I'm not really going over 7,000k on it, revs. 7,000k in revs. So yeah, I'm looking forward to when I can really open it up. Here we go. Pretty nice. Shit turning circle though, so I'll probably have to go around a bit. Like really shit. Let's do it. Woohoo! The quick shifter on this thing is just fucking insane also. Oh, it gives it that little pop and you change. It's a beast, and it's like butter. It just goes through the gears like, oh, I can't really explain. I think I just swallowed a fly. I don't know why I swallowed a fly. Perhaps I'll die. Anyway, you hear that little pop? Oh, it's epically good. Hold on. Get rid of that whistle. It's a bit whistly. It's also a little bit wet on the roads. So you probably saw that I got a fucking puncture on this thing about 100k in after picking it up. The day I picked it up, which was extremely frustrating. It's like fucking epically frustrating because it was in my garage from like Saturday afternoon all the way through to Sunday afternoon. All I wanted to do was be riding the bloody thing. I had to sit there looking at the poor thing with a flat tyre. Anyway, I finally found someone to get me out of shit. Cycle treads on Barry's Point Road in Takapuna in Auckland. A nice guy called Simon came and picked me up. Well, I say nice guy, he charged me for it, you know. Maraetai. I think this is Maraetai. Yes, it is. Pretty beautiful Sunday afternoon, middle of winter. I hope what I just recorded, well, what I thought I recorded, because it looked like it didn't, and I was just giving you the whole rundown on the bike. So If it didn't record, which it might not have done, this might be a bit of a short video, but I will do it again if it didn't. If it did, then I'll probably cut this bit out. Jesus. Anyway, look at that, that's stunning. Look at that, look at those boats over there. Wow, they look like some kind of junk, like Chinese sailboats or something, I don't know. Not really. Oh, I know fuck all about sailing. What am I talking about? They're a boat with the sail on, but they look like they might be, oh, they're an island thing, I guess. Don't you dare! Cold! Oh, I think that's because I was sitting on a very hot bike for a minute then. Quite pleasant. Now I'm in a cold air, doing 69. Ooh, look at that! Someone's got a flash new house with a red roof. Wow. Quite a nice view though. Lucky buggers. Let's get past this. Get past this little motherfucker. Easy. So easy. Too easy. Why do you make it so easy? It's fucking awesome. This is definitely the fastest vehicle that I've ever owned, but also probably the fastest vehicle that I've ever been in control of. It's pretty fucking quick. Everywhere. It just rolls on, that power just like flows like butter. Get off the fucking side of the road, you idiot. And they're the fucking people you gotta watch out for over here in New Zealand. Their driving is just shite. So I'm thinking about getting another camera to put on the bike or on the handlebars to get a different perspective. I just can't believe how expensive those bloody GoPros are. The sessions, they're so expensive for what they are, I reckon. So if anyone's got any ideas on anything else I can use, my son's got an old GoPro, I just remembered I could go and use that. That might be an idea. It's a really old one though, but you know, it doesn't have to be what I'm doing, it doesn't have to be fucking amazing. It's all HD anyway, so yeah. Get a bit wet around here, have to be a bit careful. It's a bit slippery, it's all in shadow, there's a little bit of mud, a little bit of water, and all in shadow. Shadow at sun, so and had time to warm up, so they're cold and wet and muddy. Just have to be a little bit careful, like, otherwise they'll come off and then I'll be pissed off, or broken legs and I'll be pissed off. Up and down through gears, up and down rev range, that's what I'm trying to do, break it in properly. Oh, listen to that fucking growl, you motherfucking growl. The beast from the east. The beast from the east. This It's like, I can't tell you, like ever since I was a kid, I wanted a bike, a quick bike that I could ride on the road. And what's that? Clevedon Carr Road. And now I've got my dream come true. I don't know where I'm going, I don't know where I've been, I have no idea where I've been and where I'm going. This is Clevedon, the Don of the Cleve. That's a dog shop. That's a other shop. I think my camera is actually blowing, like diverting air. It is, it's fucking diverting air, cold air, into my helmet and down my top, down my jacket. How fucking annoying is that? I might have to take it off. Don't you fucking dare. It fucking is, it's freezing. That's nice, let's check that out. Woohoo! Oh, another thing as well, as I pulled the brakes on then, the brakes on this thing are like fucking epically good. Another thing to ruin the XSR 700. It's like, those brakes on that are shite compared to this. These are good, that are shite. But the way they come on, it's like just so much control over them, and they're just like, as much as you want to give or as little as you want to give, it's there for you. It's just one finger. It's amazing. And the throttle response as well is like epic. Anyone that says I'm going through silly gear changes, it's because I'm running it in. Right, just in case anyone has a little thing about all that stuff, gets a bit upset about it, don't bother. I'm loving this. Oh, a little bit wet and slippery. Dry and not slippery. Wet and slippery again. I'm covered in fucking pine leaves, slippery pine leaves. Always look at where you're fucking going. Fuck it, really just, those brakes just shove you forward. Like the bike stops and you just want to keep going, the bike wants to stop. It's fucking insane. Just wants to fly. I mean, that was 5,000 revs in fifth, and it was just fucking begging me, like literally begging me to fucking go for it, and I really want to, but it's just too early on the bike. I think I've done 600 Ks in just over a week. Which sounds a lot. I don't really remember. I think I'm just loving it so much I just don't even realise how far I'm going. It's fucking crazy. I am going to have to take this camera off soon though, because I'm getting fucking cold. Oh my god! When you do that, it fucking just wants to go bananas! Oh shit, I've got no idea where I'm going. I think I'm going left. Oh shit, I'm gonna have to have a look. I'm gonna take the camera off. Yeah. Anyway, there you go. Little taster for you. A little fucking taster.